In the twilight glow I see them, through the plant our trusted troop. They're laughing like somebody farted, the Engineered Solutions Group. From the start there was Scott Krueger, when aftermarket was conceived, grown into a successful business that no one would or could believe. Met one year in late December, the only memories we got. Through the ages I'll remember that crazy fella we called Scott. Someday when we meet up yonder in a factory up in the sky, in a perfect sequenced operation, until then I'll say goodbye.